Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us. Yesterday, when we were discussing about gold was trading somewhere around 4076 4080 area, and we discussed that to continue the upside, gold needs to break 4100 4110. Okay, and we also discussed that the second the second resistance for gold will be around 4130, but gold was so bullish it clearly broke all the levels, and now we can see that gold is trading near 4150. So is gold bullish again? The answer is yes. Why yes? Not only we can see that gold is showing technically, okay, higher highs and higher lows, but if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold holds gain amid Fed rate cut hopes. Gold prices hovered around 4130 per ounce on Tuesday after rising nearly 2% on Monday, as expectations for a US rate cut next month increase after dovish signals from Fed Reserve officials. Gold holds steady as rising US rate cut bet offer dollar strength. Gold edges higher amid Fed rate cut hopes. Gold starts the week strong. See, overall market sentiment is bullish again. So if you have any ongoing buy on gold right now, you can hold your buy position because the market seems to be bullish against, especially if you're a swing trader. Okay, if you're a swing trader, then obviously you need swings in the market. You need a trend in the market. So if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy because when gold was trading inside the range, then we thoroughly discussed that as long as gold is inside the range, swing traders and position traders, you need to wait, because a swing trader needs a clear trend or swings. But right now we can see the overall market sentiment is bullish again. So if you have any ongoing buy, you can hold your buy position. Clear? And if you're a day trader, then obviously following the trend of the market will be a better decision for you, because if you look at the economic calendar, yes, we have a long list of events. Okay, today also we have some events coming up during the US session. During the US session, things may change. Okay, things may be volatile again, crazy again. But before that, you can expect gold to be bullish only. Why? Because market sentiment is bullish right now. And the trend of the market, okay, the trend of the market is not determined by any indicator, because when I ask people, okay, how do you understand the market is bullish, some people say a candlestick pattern, some people say a chart pattern, some say the market is trading above super trend, some say market is trading above 100 moving average, 200 moving. No, okay, these are all just technical indicators that tells you whether the market is bullish or bearish, but the real reason is always the fundamental. At this moment, we may not have a very big reason, okay, for gold to be super bullish, but more or less you can say the market sentiment is bullish. So as a result, okay, as a day trader, it will be better for us to go with the flow, means follow the trend of the market, which is bullish right now. So we will be looking for buy at dip only. Okay, so in this situation, the best level to buy at dip is around 4100. The black line that you see, the resistance from yesterday, yes, the resistance from yesterday seems to be the best support for the day, because not only it's a resistance that has become the new support, but it's also a round number. Round number means psychological support. So if market drops, if market comes for correction, you can look for the best support around 4100. Okay, but 4100 seems to be far away right now. So you can also look for a support around the red dotted line here. Okay, around 4125. 4125 is also a support. In comparison, 4125 is a weaker support, but in this situation, as a day trader, obviously you can expect a bounce of 80 to 100 pips or more than that. So 4125, 4100 are the two support levels where we can look for a buy position. And if you are part of our WhatsApp group, okay, then you must have already known that I have a buy here right now, because right now you can see around this particular portion of the market is trying to take support. I have an ongoing buy going on. Let's see, okay, how does the market perform. But market is trying to take support. Why? same logic, previous resistance working as support. Okay, so we can expect an upside from here as well. That's why I said that if you have any ongoing buy, hold your buy position. But my dear friend, one thing always keep in mind, no level is permanent. We are retail traders. We cannot be 100% sure. Anything at any point of time, it may go wrong. So always follow risk management. For example, see, I have a buy. If market drops suddenly, then obviously I'll book loss. Okay. So you need to do that as well, because we always focus on entry, but exits are more important. Your accuracy is not the problem, but not exiting at the right time is the main cause of all the losses. And my reference, if market doesn't come down and if you see market going up from here, then obviously we can look for buy at breakout above 4157. Okay, if you see that there is no sign or no intention of going down, gold is bullish again, then obviously you can look for a buy above 4157, means buy at breakout. Okay, if gold breaks 4157, we can look for a buy above it as well. And later on, for example, during the US session, okay, if the same level becomes the new support, okay, I won't be surprised, because this is how we have been trading for a long time. Because I make the videos in the Asian session, obviously things change during the European session and US session. So later on, after the breakout, if you see 415, 4157, 4155 is turning out to be a new support, there also you can look for a buy as well. Means same logic, previous resistance will be working as support. So is gold bullish right now? Okay, if you're looking for a clear-cut answer, then I will say that yes, gold is more, I won't say gold is super bullish like the previous time, but yes, more or less gold seems to be bullish right now. But yes, we have some news coming up, okay, today and tomorrow. So if anything crazy happens, okay, and if gold breaks 4100, then yes, gold won't be bullish any longer. Because as I said, okay, market sentiment is bullish, but is this a very big reason? Obviously, no. That is a big issue right now. So I'm expecting a gold to take support if market drops. Okay, let's wait and watch. And my dear friends, if you also analyze your charts on tradingview.com but place your orders separately on MT4, MT5, then you must give a try to the Vantage's Pro Trader platform, because you can see today I'm analyzing the chart on the similar to TradingView, but no, it's not TradingView, it's the Vantage's Pro Trader platform, because they have integrated the TradingView in their own terminal, so that traders don't need to switch to the MT4, MT5 separately. For our ease, you can just open the order terminal from here and you can buy, sell directly from tradingview.com. So it saves a lot of time, it becomes a lot easier. So my dear friend, okay, if you are also looking for a solution like this where you can analyze and execute orders at the same platform, then yes, you must give a try to Vantage. It's awesome, it's very smooth. You don't know about Vantage, it's a global brand. Okay, they have more than 5 million registered users where you can trade more than 1000 plus products. And the best thing about Vantage is that they are top notch at the security. So if you're looking for a secure platform for your hard-earned money, okay, you can definitely give it shot to Vantage. And if you open your account through our referral link, then not only you get all the benefits of Vantage, but you also get access to our WhatsApp community as well. So feel free to check out Vantage. The link is in the description.